Maths Part First, Standard 10, Unit Number 1, Linear Equation in Two Variables, Practice Set 1.5. Hi friends, today we are going to learn about Practice Set 1.5 to remaining example number 4 to 6. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सराव संच 1.5 मधील उर्वरित उदाहरण 4 ते 6 चा आपण अभ्यास करणार आहोत. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. If 6 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Find the fraction. या ठिकाणी अंश आणि छेद दिलेले आहेत. यावरून from the given condition write down the equation and solve this linear equation in two variables. First solution here. Let the numerator of the fraction numerator of the fraction be x and its denominator be y. Here the first condition of the given equation from the first condition the denominator of fraction is 4 more than twice numerator. म्हणजेच हा छेद हा अंशाच्या दुपटीपेक्षा 4 ने मोठा आहे. Here the equation is denominator is twice the numerator 2x more is more 4 plus 4. This equation is write down 2x goes to the left hand side minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. This is the first equation. या ठिकाणी पहिल्या अटीवरून हे समीकरण मिळालेले आहे. नेक्स्ट if 6 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, and therefore if 6 is subtracted both from the numerator and denominator, then numerator becomes x minus 6 and denominator becomes y minus 6. From this second condition the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. From the second condition, denominator y minus 6 is equal to the 12 times to the numerator is x minus 6, solve this equation. Y minus 6, 12 into x, 12x, 12 6 is 72. Here the left hand side gives to right hand side, 12x to left hand minus 12x plus y is equal to minus 72 plus 6 goes to the right hand side. या ठिकाणी अधिक 12 आहे ते डाव्या बाजूला आणल्यानंतर वजा 12x झालं आणि वजा 6 आहे ते अधिक झालं. हियर इक्वेशन मायनस 12x plus y is equal to minus 72 and plus 6. Here the sign is difference. Subtract smaller number to greatest number and give the sign in greater number. Here 72 minus 6 is a 66 and minus 66. This is the second equation. Observe equation first and second. The coefficient of y variable are equal. या ठिकाणी y चलाचे सहगुणक काय आहेत, समान आहेत. ते एक आहे, या ठिकाणी एक आहे, परंतु याची चिन्ह आहे ती धन धन आहे, चिन्ह समान आहेत. मग बेरीज केली तर y चलाचं निरसन होणार नाही. म्हणून हियर द सबट्रॅक्टिंग इक्वेशन 1 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2. हियर subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Write down equation 2 minus 10x plus y is equal to minus 66 minus equation first minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. Here change the sign of second equation. Here the plus, minus and minus. Minus 12x and plus 2x is a minus 10x is equal to minus 66 and minus 4 is a minus 70. Therefore, x is equal to minus 70 upon minus 10. X is equal to 10 7s are 70 and the value of x is here 7. या ठिकाणी x ची किंमत 7 आलेली आहे आणि ही किंमत समीकरणामध्ये 1 किंवा 2 या समीकरणात ठेवू आणि y ची किंमत काढूया. Substituting x is equal to 7. Substituting x is equal to 7 in equation first. Equation first is first write down this equation minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. Put the value in this equation minus 2 into value of x is 7 plus y is equal to 4. 7 2s are minus 14 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 plus 14, and the value of y is 18. This is the value of y. Here the answer: numerator x is a 7, the numerator x is equal to 7 and denominator y is equal to 18. The required fraction is 7 upon 18, x upon y 7 upon 18. अशा पद्धतीने हे उदाहरण आपल्याला सोडवावं लागेल. Let's see the next example. Example number 5. Two types of boxes A, B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of the type B, so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each boxes. First here write down the solution. A is boxes, the weight of boxes type A is x and B is y. Suppose here let solution here. या ठिकाणी A प्रकारची जी बॉक्स आहेत त्याला आपण x मानू आणि B प्रकारचे बॉक्सेस आहेत त्याला y मानू. let the weight of a box of type A be x and type B is y, and the weight of 150 boxes the weight of 150 boxes of type A is equal to 150x, and the weight of 100 boxes of type B, the weight of 100 boxes of type B is equal to 100 y. From the given condition, the two type of boxes A and B in a truck having capacity 10 tons, when 150 boxes of type A and 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in a truck, its weight is 10 tons. From the first condition, write down the equation from the first condition. first condition 150x plus 100y is equal to 10. This is the first equation. यावरून पहिल्या अटीवरून हे समीकरण आपण तयार केलेलं. त्या ठिकाणी समान संख्येनं भाग जातो, डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय 10. देयरफॉर 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. Dividing both the side, dividing both the side by 10. समीकरणाच्या दोन्ही बाजूला जर 10 ने भागलं तर हे समीकरण येते. दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. फ्रॉम सेकंड कंडिशन, फ्रॉम द सेकंड कंडिशन, from the second condition, here the 260 boxes of type A, write down 260x plus 40y is equal to 10 tons. Here ही dividing या ठिकाणी सुद्धा समीकरणाच्या दोन्ही बाजूला कितीनं भागून 10 ने. Therefore 26x plus 4y is equal to 10. This is equation second. Dividing both sides by 10. Observe in this two equation, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट अँड इक्वेशन सेकंड. या ठिकाणी समीकरण 1 आणि 2 चा जर विचार केला, चलाचे जर सहगुणक समान करायचे म्हटले, समजा y चे सहगुणक समान करायचे म्हटले तर समीकरण 1 ला 2 न गुणावं लागेल, 10 दुनी 20 होईल. आणि इथे समीकरण 2 ला किती न गुणावं लागेल, 5 न, 5 चौक 20. हियर द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y व्हेरिएबल आर इक्वल, देन टू multiplication of equation first is 2 and equation 2 multiply by 5. Here multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 5, and write down this equation. Multiply by 2, 2 15s are 30x plus 20y is equal to 2. This is the equation third. या ठिकाणी समीकरण तिसरं आलं 2 न गुणून. and here the multiply by 5, 26 into 5 100, 30x plus 4 5 20y is equal to 10 5 here 10 upon 10, here the 1 into 5 is 5. या ठिकाणी 10 ला भागल्यानंतर 1 राहतं, म्हणजे 5 एके 5. अशा पद्धतीने हे 3 आणि 4 नंबरची समीकरणं आलेली आहेत. आता ह्या समीकरणांचं निरीक्षण जर केलं तर ही चिन्ह 20y 20y चिन्ह धन आहेत, म्हणून समीकरण 4 मधून समीकरण 3 वजा करावा लागेल. सबट्रॅक्टिंग इक्वेशन 3 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 4. हियर टू इक्वेशन, व्हेरिएबल ऑफ y व्हेरिएबल ऑफ अ कोएफिशिएंट इज इक्वल, देन सबट्रॅक्टिंग इक्वेशन 3 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 4. Subtracting equation 3 from 4. To write down equation 4 first, 130x plus 20y is equal to 5 minus 30x plus 20y is equal to 2. Here the subtracting second equation to change this sign. Here minus, minus and minus. 130x minus 30 is a 100x plus 20 and minus 20 negligible. Here 5 minus 2 is a 3, and therefore x is equal to 3 upon 100. This is the value of x. Substituting x is equal to 3 upon 100 in equation first. Here substituting x is equal to 3 upon 100 in equation first. First write down this equation. 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. Put the value in x variable. 15 into 3 upon 100 plus 10y is equal to 1. Here 15 into 3, 45 upon 100 plus 10y is equal to 1. Here the 45 upon 100 goes to the right hand side. Therefore 10y is equal to 1 minus 45 upon 100. Here 10y is equal to 1 means 100 upon 100. The denominator is equal. Then 100 minus 45 upon 100 is equal to 55 upon 100, and therefore y is equal to 55. 100 goes to dividing, and therefore the 10 into 100 divide 1000 here. This is the value of y. This is the value of y. Here the answer. The weight of boxes of type A. The weight of a box of type A is 3 upon 100 tons is equal to 3 upon 100 into 1000 kg is equal to 30 kg, and the weight of a box of type B is 55 upon 1000 ton is equal to 55 upon 1000 into 1000 kg is equal to 55 kg. अशा प्रकारे हे शाब्दिक उदाहरण आपल्याला सोडवता येईल. प्रश्नपत्रिकेत प्रश्न क्रमांक 3 आणि प्रश्न क्रमांक 4 मध्ये या प्रकारची उदाहरणं विचारली जातात. नेक्स्ट सी द एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6. आउट ऑफ 190 kilometer Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travel with average speed is 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. First, write down the here solution in let. या ठिकाणी विशालनं बसनं केलेला प्रवास आणि विमानानं केलेला प्रवास मानूया. हियर दी लेट विशाल ट्रॅव्हल्ड x kilometer by bus and y kilometer by aeroplane. We know that time is equal to distance upon speed. We know that the time is equal to distance अपॉन स्पीड. वेळ म्हणजे अंतर भागिले वेळ हे माहिती आहे. टाइम टेकन बाय द विशाल, टाइम टेकन बाय विशाल while traveling by bus, while traveling by bus is equal to x upon 60 hours. And time taken by Vishal traveling by plane time taken by Vishal while traveling by plane is equal to y upon 700 hours. From the given first condition, from the given conditions, first condition is out of 190 kilometer traveled by some distance bus and some distance एरोप्लेन. या ठिकाणी काही अंतर विमानानं प्रवास केलेला आणि काही अंतर बसनं प्रवास केलेला. असं किती अंतर आहे? 1900 किलोमीटर. म्हणून हिअर x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 1900. दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. And second is x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to 5 hours. This distance traveled by 5 hours. This is the second equation. This is the second equation. Simplify the second equation. Multiply by equation 2 by 2100, the LCM of 60 and 700. Multiplying equation 2 by 2100 the LCM of 60 and 700. Here the equation is x upon 60 into multiply 2100 plus y upon 700 into 2100 and 5 into, here the multiply this equation, here the multiplying 1100 into 6 is a 35x, here the 3y is equal to 10,500. This is the third equation. Observe equation first and second to multiply by equation 1 by 3 to the equal of coefficient of y variable. Coefficient of y variable, here the multiply by 3, multiplying equation 1 by equation 1 by 3, and here the equation 3 into x, 3x plus 3y is equal to 19 3s are 57, 5700. This is the fourth equation. Here the equation 3 and 4, the coefficient of y variable are equal, but here the sign is same. To subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. First write down 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500 minus 3x plus 3y is equal to 5,700. Here this change the sign of second equation, minus and minus. 35x minus 3x is equal to 32x. 3y minus 3y cancelling. Here the 4,800. The value of x is equal to 32. The value of x is equal to, dividing 4,800 is 32 is 150, and the answer of traveled by Vishal, answer Vishal traveled 150 km बाय बस. अशा पद्धतीने हे उदाहरण आपल्याला सोडवता येईल. थँक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू. धन्यवाद विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. या प्रकारच्या उदाहरणांचा सराव करा आणि जास्तीत जास्त गुण मिळवा.